friend. Today presentation this software is a JView software. She got one-time access to all the 20 plus premium .com plan apps for low one-time price. Save update 6,000 every years. Got unlimited growth. No example. See more than information. This customer only special deal is only available for the limit time. Don't miss it. Old way to build your online business. Much purchase multiple apps spends time suggesting. Say hello .coms. See, this is a valuable software. See fast video, email, best support and training, website membership, product payment, more than information. See a computer screen or mobile screen. Online business must be use this software. Build, save, pay, generate. So what do you think? See, this software also very useful software. More than are also use this software, very easy to see this video.
Hi, I'm Michael Jane from Team DotcomPal, and let me give you a quick demo on how easy it is to build and grow your business online with DotcomPal. DotcomPal's all 20 plus powerful apps are seamlessly integrated to help you build, sell, grow, and manage from a single platform to save tons of time and energy and bring more growth for your business. To start working with DotcomPal, first, you just need to add a business name here. Setting up a business gives you access to all the awesome DotcomPal tools, including your DotcomPal hosted subdomain and customized dashboard. DotcomPal is made for starters and pro entrepreneurs alike. Your level of skill or experience does not matter. So, if you already have a good online presence, DotcomPal helps you grow further with our strategy, tools, and training. Or, if you have just started online and do not even have a website, no problem. With DotcomPal, you can publish a website with landing pages, display videos, send emails, sell products, and grow online all in one place to turn your ideas into a reality. And now, in step 3, choose what is the nature of your business. Do you sell digital products, sell courses or training, provide freelancing or agency services, sell physical products, provide professional services, sell affiliate products, do blogging, or create campaigns, or do anything else online and want to grow further? Then DotcomPal is built for you. After these 3 simple steps, you are all set with your own DotcomPal hosted domain and custom dashboard for your newly added business. DotcomPal is designed from scratch for providing a seamless experience. We are not like other platforms where apps are working in silos and do not communicate with each other. And the result is a complicated and expensive mess that wastes a lot of time and reduces your effectiveness. So, let us dive in deeper first into DotcomPal Build module. Whether you need to build a responsive website or create a membership site to get recurring income, we have got your back here. Build a professional and high-converting business website with customizable header, menu, and footer. Simply choose a goal-based template and edit it according to your brand and market needs with our advanced but very easy DotcomPal WYSIWYG editor. You can choose any element, drag and drop it anywhere, replace, or delete it. You can do it all in a few clicks of your mouse. You can even create a page template right from scratch. With global styling, you can change the global theme color, font family, and tons of other things with zero coding and expertise. It is easy like eating a cocoa pie. You will also get access to DotcomPal subdomain, custom domain, and free hosting for unlimited page visits to build your pro-level online presence quick and easy. And here is another powerful feature of DotcomPal. You can build
See more information, my video description link, or more than information about this software. This is a very useful software. See, all in one, introduce a marketing solution, business online, grow your business, high conversation lead page, fast email sending, financial, fast video hosting, play, domain, A to task, emails, page and PayPal, drop analysis. See more than information about my video description link. Thank you friend, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon.